Millions of drivers have no idea there are simple tricks that can make their car look like it just rolled out of the dealership again. And the best part? Some of these tricks can save you a serious amount of money on professional detailing. But it gets even better. There's one trick in here that makes your car shine instantly, without paying for an expensive detail. The crazy part? Nobody tells you this before you spend hundreds of dollars. So get ready, because here are 15 genius car cleaning hacks. Let's start with trick number 15, Vaseline to restore headlights instantly. If your headlights are yellowed, cloudy, and making your car look older than it really is, that's not just an aesthetic problem. It can reduce nighttime visibility by up to 30%. And if you take it to a detail shop in the US, headlight restoration can easily cost anywhere from $50 to $150, sometimes more depending on the condition. But here's the shortcut. Regular Vaseline. The same one you can find at any drugstore for under $10. Take a clean microfiber cloth, apply a small amount of Vaseline, and rub it directly onto the headlight using firm circular motions, covering the entire surface. What's happening here is actually pretty interesting. The Vaseline fills in and hydrates the oxidized top layer of the plastic, restoring some of its clarity. Then, just wipe off the excess with a dry cloth. Within minutes, the headlight already looks noticeably clearer. And here's an important detail. Besides improving appearance, Vaseline creates a temporary barrier that helps slow down UV damage, delaying further oxidation. In other words, you're buying time before needing a proper polish. Now hold on, because the next trick can save you even more money. Trick number 14, toothpaste to remove light scratches. You know those light scratches that don't catch your fingernail but still ruin the look of your paint? Many body shops in the US charge anywhere from $100 to $500 to fix minor paint imperfections. And touch-up kits don't always deliver clean results. But here's the hack. Plain white toothpaste. No gel. Apply a small amount onto a damp cloth and rub it over the scratched area using circular motions. The logic is simple. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives, similar to polishing compounds, just in lower concentration. This helps level out the clear coat and reduce or even eliminate the scratch. Then wipe it clean and finish with a dry cloth. In many cases, the result is surprisingly good. What most people don't realize is that the majority of these scratches don't go past the clear coat, meaning they're only on the surface and can be corrected without repainting. Now let's move to a problem most people ignore until it gets bad. Trick number 13, shampoo for deep carpet cleaning. If your car's carpet is stained, dirty, and has that lingering smell that won't go away even after vacuuming, you're not alone. And professional interior detailing in the US can easily cost over $100 to $250. But you can fix this with something you already have at home. Hair shampoo. Mix a small amount with warm water in a spray bottle. Spray it onto the carpet and use a soft brush to scrub in circular motions. The shampoo breaks down grease, loosens embedded dirt, and lifts particles that a vacuum alone can't remove. Then wipe away the excess with a clean cloth and let it air dry. Here's the technical detail. Shampoos are designed to remove oils without damaging delicate surfaces. That's exactly the type of chemistry you want for automotive fabrics. Now pay attention to this next one, because it completely changes how you clean your windows. Trick number 12. White vinegar and newspaper for perfect glass. If your car windows always look streaky or greasy, especially when sunlight hits them, you're definitely not the only one. And even store-bought glass cleaners don't always fix the problem. Here's the secret. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Spray it onto the glass and, instead of using a regular cloth, clean it with crumpled newspaper. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which dissolves grease, removes water spots, and breaks down residue buildup. And newspaper doesn't leave lint behind while also helping polish the surface. The result? Crystal clear glass with no streaks. And there's more. This works extremely well on the inside of the windshield, where a thin film builds up from dashboard vapors, something that directly affects visibility at night. Now if you thought that was good, the next trick might surprise you even more. Trick number 11. Coconut oil to restore paint shine. If your car's paint looks dull and lifeless even after a wash, you don't need to jump straight into expensive waxes or ceramic coatings. There's a much cheaper alternative. Coconut oil. With the car clean and dry, apply a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and spread it in thin layers, working panel by panel. The oil fills in micro imperfections and increases light reflection, creating that deep glossy look. Then just buff it off with a dry cloth. And here's a bonus. It works great on black plastic trim, bringing back that rich, dark finish. But here's an important warning. The effect is temporary. Unlike automotive wax, it doesn't have long-lasting durability. Still, for the price, the result is impressive. Now before we continue, if this kind of content is actually helping you save real money, hit that like button because it helps the channel grow and bring you more tips like these. Alright, let's keep going. Trick number 10. Homemade formula to wash your entire car. If you're spending money on multiple products, car shampoo, wheel cleaner, interior sprays, and it still never feels enough, this trick simplifies everything. Mix 1 cup of dish soap, half a cup of white vinegar, and about 1 gallon of warm water. This creates a highly effective, all-purpose cleaner. The soap breaks down grease and heavy dirt, while the vinegar removes minerals and water spots. You can use it on the paint, wheels, and even some interior surfaces with a cloth. The cost? Less than $1 per wash. And here's something most people don't realize. A large portion of automotive cleaning products on the market are mostly water, fragrance, and basic cleaning agents. In other words, not that different from this mixture. Now let's move on. Trick number 9. Compressed air for every hidden corner. Every button, every gap, every small detail inside your car collects dirt, and it's not just dust. We're talking about dead skin cells and microscopic debris you don't even notice. And all of that builds up in places no cloth can reach. The solution? Compressed air. The same kind you use to clean a keyboard. Spray it into buttons, air vents, seams, and speaker grills. You'll be surprised by how much dirt comes out. Pro tip: use the small straw nozzle to direct the airflow into tight spaces. In under 2 minutes, your interior can look like it just had a full professional detail. Now here's a problem everyone hates. Trick number 8. Cup holders cleaned with zero effort. Dirty cup holders are a nightmare. Sugar, coffee, soda, everything turns into a sticky mess that's hard to remove. And in modern cars, removing the center console can get expensive, easily over $300 if clips or parts break. But there's a simple preventive solution. Silicone cupcake liners. They're cheap and fit perfectly inside most cup holders. Spill something. Just take them out, rinse, and you're done. In 30 seconds, you solve something that could turn into a costly problem later. Now this next one might save you from unnecessary bodywork. Trick number 7. That dent might not be a dent. Someone hits your car door in a parking lot. You see that black mark and immediately think the worst. But here's an important stat. In many cases, over 70% of these marks aren't actual dents, it's just paint transfer from the other car. And you can fix it at home. Use a bit of WD-40 on a cloth and gently rub the area. It breaks down the transferred paint without damaging your clear coat. If that's all it is, the mark disappears in minutes. If it's a real dent, then yes, you'll need bodywork. But most of the time, you can fix it for basically nothing. Trick number 6. Dust that doesn't come back as fast. You clean your dashboard, and a few days later, the dust is already back. That's because of static electricity. After cleaning, wipe the dashboard with a dryer sheet. This creates an anti-static layer that reduces dust buildup. In practice, you can triple the time between cleanings. A simple detail, but extremely effective. Trick number 5. Gum stuck in the carpet? There's a fix. Chewing gum stuck in your carpet feels permanent, especially after days or weeks. Some places even recommend replacing the carpet, a job that can easily cost over $250 to $400 in the US. But there's a much simpler method. Place it over the gum for about 2 minutes. It will harden completely. And here's the key: Don't pull it. Break it. Once frozen, the gum becomes brittle and comes off in pieces without spreading. If there's any residue left, finish it with baking soda and vinegar like mentioned earlier. Trick number 4. Cleaning your engine bay for almost nothing. A lot of people think engine cleaning is complicated, expensive, and even risky. And detail shops in the US often reinforce that idea, charging anywhere from $100 to $250 for the service. But the reality is very different. Around 80% of engine bays can be safely cleaned using simple products and a few basic precautions. Here's the method. A regular all-purpose degreaser, the kind you can find at any store for under $10. First, protect sensitive components like the alternator, battery, and fuse box with plastic. Then spray the product across the entire engine bay and let it sit for about 5 minutes. It will break down grease buildup and loosen embedded dirt. If there are heavily soiled areas, use a soft brush. Then rinse with low-pressure water, never a strong jet. To finish, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. The heat helps dry everything out. Now here's an interesting stat. Cars with a clean engine bay can increase resale value by up to 3% in the US, simply because it signals good maintenance. In other words, a cheap product can increase the perceived value of your car by hundreds, sometimes thousands, of dollars. But a clean engine means nothing if your wheels still look neglected. Trick number 3. Heavy wheel cleaning with an unexpected product. Brake dust is one of the hardest contaminants to remove. It's made of metallic particles that bond to the wheel surface. So you try multiple wheel cleaners, and nothing really works. Now here's the solution most people never think of. Oven cleaner. Yes, the same one used in your kitchen. It contains powerful degreasing agents capable of breaking down that stubborn buildup. Apply it only when the wheels are completely cool, never hot. Let it sit for no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Then scrub and rinse thoroughly. The results can be dramatic, especially in extreme cases. But here's a critical warning. This product is aggressive. Use it carefully and avoid it on delicate finishes like polished or anodized wheels. Still, when used correctly, it can restore wheels that looked beyond saving. Now get ready, because this next trick gets a bit more technical. Trick number 2. Hairdryer to reduce light scratches. It might sound strange, but there's real science behind it. The clear coat on automotive paint softens slightly under heat. That allows very light scratches to partially blend back into the surface. Use a hairdryer on high heat, keeping about 6 inches, 15 centimeters, away from the area. Apply heat for 30 to 60 seconds, constantly moving it around. The clear coat becomes slightly more flexible and can reduce the visibility of minor scratches. Then let it cool naturally. Does it work? Yes, especially on very light scratches. But it's not magic. Deep scratches won't disappear. Still, it's a completely free method worth trying. Now this last one might be the most important of all, because it affects more than just your car. Trick number 1. Eliminating AC mold and bad smells. That bad smell when you turn on the AC isn't normal. In most cases, it's mold and bacteria buildup inside the ventilation system. And professional AC cleaning services in the US can cost anywhere from $80 to $200. But there's a simple solution. Disinfectant spray. Locate your cabin air filter, usually behind the glove box. Remove the filter. Turn the AC to max with fresh air intake activated, then spray the disinfectant into the intake for a few seconds. The system will pull the product through and distribute it across the evaporator, killing microorganisms. Then replace the filter with a new one. The result is immediate. The smell disappears, and the air feels noticeably cleaner. This method is becoming more popular because it's simple, effective, and extremely low cost.